Hari Om Sri Matre Namaha. On the sixth day of Navratri, nice to see you all. Hope your Navratri sadhana are going on well. So the Devi, the Navadurga, one of the Navadurgas, to be worshipped today is Katyayani. Katyayani, the avatara of Parvati Devi, which she took to kill the Asura, Mahishasura. Hence, she is known as Mahishasura Mardhini. In the Devi Mahatmyam, we see how the Mahishasura Sainya Vadam and Mahishasura Vadam took place. So, Katyayani Devi is the ferocious, valorous form of Parvati Devi. Mahishasura had a boon that he will be killed only in the hands of a woman, thinking that there will be no woman who is born to kill him. So he was going, in a very bad way, like he was hurting everyone, thinking that nobody is there to destroy him. The word Mahisha means the buffalo. Mahishasura had the nature to change from a buffalo to human being and human being to buffalo, and also he could take various animal forms. See, the Mahishasura represents the animal instincts which we have inside us, the sluggishness, the ego, and also thinking that only I am the greatest, only I can do this, I am the greatest of all these things which are the curbing our spiritual growth is personified as Mahishasura. That's why he's called as Mahishasura. And Devi Katyayani is known as the Mahishasura Mardini, like she just stamps him with her feet. So just stamping him on the, with her feet and killing him. So this form of Devi is worshipped on this sixth day of Navratri. Now I'll guide you into a very beautiful visualization. Try to join with me and try to visualize how Katyayani Devi was born with the energies of all the Devas, starting from Shiva, Brahma, Vishnu, and everyone, and how she evolved as the most powerful woman on this earth to fight against the Mahishasura. So sit straight and close your eyes. She is the ruler of Agnya Chakra, and the planet Brihaspati is ruled by Katyayani, the very powerful Graha planet Brihaspati. So let's start our worship. First, let's create the energy of Katyayani Devi in our minds by a creative visualization. So sit straight. May your spinal cord be straight. Inhale and exhale few times. Close your eyes. Om Gananantva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Kavin Kavina Mupamashravasthamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashrunvannotibis Sidasadanam. Om Shri Mahaganapataye Namaha. Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Katyayani Devi, Mahishasura Mardhini, Vindhyachala Nivasini. All the Devas pray to Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara to emerge a Devi, a great Shakti, to kill Mahishasura. A beautiful, elegant, angelic beauty Devi Katyayani was emerging from the Shakti of all the Devas. From the light of Yama came her curly hair. From the light of Lord Vishnu came her arms. Chandra gave her two bosoms. The light of Indra appeared as her waist. The light of Varuna appeared as her hip and thighs. And the light of Brahma appeared her feet. By the light of Surya Deva came her toes. From the light of Vasus came her fingers. From the light of Kubera, her nose. And from the light of Prajapatis came her teeth. Agni Deva gave her the three eyes. Two Sandhyas, morning and evening, became her eyebrow. Light of Vayu, her ears. And all the Devas contributed to the being of the supreme, auspicious, brilliant Devi. She received her weapons from all the Devas. A Trishul was presented to her by Lord Shiva. Vishnu gave her the Sudarshana Chakra, a conch from Varuna Deva, a bow from the Vayu Deva, spear from Agni Deva, and the bow and the quivers, and the arrows by Marut Ganas. Vajra Ayudha was given by Indra, and the Ghanta, that is the bell, was given to her by the Airavata, the elephant of Indra. Yama gave her the Danda, and Varuna gave her the noose, the rope. The rosary, that is the Japamala, and the Kamandalu were given to her from Lord Brahma, and all other weapons were given to her by all the Devas. Surya Deva gave her the Tejas. The Milky Ocean gave her the beautiful pristine necklace and also an undecaying garment. She had brilliant half moon on her crown, her armlets on all her arms. Vishwakarma, the cosmic architect, gave her a brilliant axe. Himavan, the king of Himalayas, gave her various gems, and he gave her the Simhavagana. Kubera, the lord of wealth, gave her a Panapatram, a drinking cup, which would be full with celestial wine. Sesha, the lord of serpents, gave her a serpent necklace decked with best jewelry. All the devas offered all the ornaments and weapons to her. She was glittering, beautiful, filled with the Tejas, and she roared with loud laughter again and again. The whole sky was filled with her roar, and loud sound was reverberating everywhere. And all the gods were shouting victory, Jai Ho, Jai to Mata Katyayani. She sat upon the Vindhyachal mountain. Mahishasura was attracted by her beauty, and thinking that she is an ordinary lady, he was pulling her with his messengers to be his consort. But Devi killed all his army, and finally she pushed Mahishasura with her foot onto the ground and killed him. Let us surrender to this Vindhyachalavasini, Mahishasura Mardini, Katyayani Devi, to kill, to destroy the Mahisha, the negativity, the sluggishness, the ego, all the mala, the maya, which dwells in us. May the energy of Devi Katyayani, the combined energy of all the devas, penetrate deeper into us. Visualize the energy of Katyayani Devi at your Agnya Chakra. May her energy lift you up and beyond to Sahasrara, leaving behind all the negativities to attain the divine consciousness. Om Devi Katyayanyai Namaha. Om Devi Katyayanyai Namaha. Om Devi Katyayanyai Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let's start the puja of Katyayani Devi. Katyayani Devi mantra 9 times. Let's offer red color flowers. If you have red roses, it'll be nice. Om Devi Katyayanyai Namaha. 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 कात्यायनी देवी प्रार्थना। चंद्रहासोज्ज्वलकरा शार्दूल वरवाहना कात्यायनी शुभम दद्यात् देवी दानवघातिनी। कात्यायनी देवी स्तुति। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मां कात्यायनी रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मां कात्यायनी रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मां कात्यायनी रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। कात्यायनी देवी कवचम for protection. कात्यायनौ मुखपातु कां स्वाहा स्वरूपिणी ललाटे विजया पातु मालिनी नित्यसुन्दरी कल्याणी हृदयं पातु जया भगमालिनी। Let the protective energy of Katyayani be protecting us in all directions and from head to toe. May the blessings of Ma Katyayani be with us now and forever. Be blessed by Katyayani Devi. Let the Brihaspati, the planet Guru, shower you with wisdom and all the wealth and everything. Sri Matre Namaha.